Hi guys. Hey, I guess I didn't understand what you said the other day. My question was, I wanted to take auction best results and make it into a template so I could use the exact same pages on other sites again. Okay. So what I did was I went onto the page, I looked around, and I hit this save as a template button, and I expected it to pop up somewhere. I thought it would show up in my whole list of sites, but it didn't. Where it did show up is Special Sale April. That's the name I used for the second one. But this didn't. It just showed up as a blank page. It didn't show up anything like the template page that I was hoping it would be. I looked all the way down this page thinking it would be there somewhere, but then I realized, oops, name your page. I named it already, so I'll call it again. Special April. Let's call the next one May. So I thought it would be on this page under my templates, but I click on my templates. Of course, there's nothing there. It says nothing there. And I looked all the way down here and I tried finding my template for that. It's not there. So obviously I misunderstood something because it's not where it's supposed to be. Or it's not where logic would say it was going to be. So that's my story there, kids. Um, like I said, I'm trying to make maybe one a month of the special that I want to use, and I'll make the special different. I don't have a price on there. Um, so that's question number one. Question number two is, okay, this is the original page. It's called Auction Best Results. And like I said, the other one, April special or May special, is supposed to be exactly like this. Um, let's see, where was I? I was looking for something. Looking for something. Okay, I found it. This is my price sheet for that page. And I saved it as a JPEG. On here I have it as two pages. I saved it as a JPEG, and I wanted to put this on a separate page on that same website. But I don't know how to make another page to put that on there. I'm not positive, but I think I want to put this on the second page also, either right below or right above that price sheet that I showed you a minute ago. And this is what this is a very brief description of all the products there. So I made this also into a JPEG. So it's one long sheet. It's about 2 feet long that way. So, all right. So anyway, if you can help me with that, I appreciate it. Thank you very much.